Hello guys, this is a video review of Autobot Ratchet Deluxe class from Hasbro. So before in the Optimus Prime review, I promise you all to review Megatron, but Megatron review got something that I need to edit it first, so I'm really sorry. So I will bring this guy next time. I promise to you all. I will review about Megatron before the movie start on Wednesday. And I forgot to tell, I got a ticket for the premiere at 6 o'clock in the evening. So I am quite disappointed. I supposed to see on the Tuesday night, but I can't get the ticket here. So anyway, but still I can see Transformer on the world premiere, so I am very grateful. So this Ratchet, he is a H2 Hammer rescue car. So I mean, Ratchet really looks small. Let's see compared to other cars. And let me see. I take Optimus Prime, Voyager class. So as you can see, Optimus Prime is way bigger. Then the Ratchet. Okay, let's put part. Now let's focus to Ratchet. He's a H2 Hammer, so he has a cool MedTech gun. Can convert to a saw blade. And one thing cool, when you pull this, it still spin, keeps spinning, and that is cool and cool detail. I like his gun, but it looks so big. I don't know why, but I love its extension form. Keeps spinning for non-stop when you pull like it. Okay, now for Ratchet. Cool detail. Extra tire there, and siren, headlights, and some cool Autobot symbol. Let me focus there. Okay, and this is my I have decided to use iPhone 4 for my review, so I hope you all will like it. Give me more detail, and it's quite easy to edit because I just buy a new MacBook Pro 13-inch, so it suits to my iPhone, so I can easily edit my video and see, and it's quite detailed in this video. So now for the transformation, simply pull this part. Okay, and next pull this part here, and this part is to form his chest and his hand. Simply pull it all together. Same goes to the other side. This not door panel, it is his hand, see? His hand there. Okay, done with that, twist his head. Okay, his head just don't want to go. Okay, sorry. Bring it all together here. Okay, now spin his head. Okay, now that is Ratchet. Okay, now here you got to push it in front, and simply, I mean, Ratchet before this, I think Starscream is the most. I know I still not yet review about Starscream, but let me tell you, Ratchet is more easily transformed compared to Starscream. That I think it's very easy to transform, but I think now Ratchet is the most easiest ever to transform to a robot mode. So now bring it all down and pull his part here and just push it inside together like that. And so that is Ratchet chest and his hand. So now for his back, just simply pull it all and pull this panel and bring it inside. Okay, now for his leg, just pull it all together and twist this it. Just twist it here, and same goes to the other side. Okay, and for the backpack, let me focus there. Push this inside and bring it all together. Okay, now we have Ratchet in his robot mode. Okay, cool robot mode, but his head is so big compared to his body, and just attach the MagTag weapon. So Ratchet come with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 MagTag port that you can attach any of standard MagTag port to his body, and some cool. Okay, I know his leg doesn't look straight, but let me tell you, it is straight. Okay, don't get confused with it again. So this is Ratchet in his robot mode. So my all transformer is in car mode, so I can do quick size comparison. But Ratchet is the shortest compared to other, and Bumblebee like this tall. Ratchet is this tall, and Bumblebee is this tall. So as you can see, this quick size comparison. Okay, that's all for today. But now I want to show you my new MacBook Pro 30-inch that I just buy on Saturday. So, but I suggest to you all, if you have an iPhone and want to do some YouTube video, you really should buy this guy. 30-inch. I buy an iCore 5, and there is my case there, my notebook case. And okay, that's all for today. Thank you for viewing my video, and next time maybe I will review crankcase, the Drake, or just maybe Megatron. Okay, that's all. Thank you for viewing. Please subscribe my channel.